This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So this comes with a manual, so you can manually pump it, or you can go ahead and pull the manual out, and you can swap it with the battery one. So we go ahead and push that in, which this one is rechargeable. We're gonna go ahead, place this up here, turn this open. You see this? That's how much pressure it has. And we're, see that? I mean, we're shaking that violent. And press to turn it off, and you can still see that it still holds its suction. Go ahead, press this red up top here. That releases the pressure. You have your little gauge on here. Okay, that's great and all. Solar panels, you know, they got some weight to them, but what about a table that is strong, heavy duty, made of solid wood, not the kind of flake wood? What about that? Well, let's try it. Let's see. Okay, so we're watching the pressure build up on the gauge. You see this? Oh, it's got some weight to it. Look at that. We turn it off. It still shows pressure. We can watch the pressure gauge. Press the red button, just like that. I'm telling you guys, this thing is amazing. You guys can use this for lifting furniture. You can use this for transferring glass. It's amazing. Rechargeable. It is absolutely amazing.